cheese, Fritos, and Doritos. No talking. Just there's nothing I can do. I gave her snack early, so she won't be bothered. Oh. From that COVID, right? He said, that's how I look Friday eating that salad. I was so hungry, I couldn't help myself. So hungry. Just missing tomatoes and. Where'd you get it from? I made a warm chili, cheese and sour cream. Interesting. You don't care about. So good. Can you hear me? I want y'all to have some. I want y'all to come share with me. I got two different kinds. Doritos and Fritos. I don't know where to begin. She went to the hospital. When was the last time she went to the hospital? March? When is the beginning of this month? Because, oh no, she didn't go. Huh? No, she didn't go. So it was when she had that licorice. Oh yeah. When was that? March? February? Huh? This is May, right? Yeah. Yeah, probably March. Beginning. Did they admit her? They got it out? I don't know. I can't remember. I was off, and then when I came back. Me too. Like, you know, I came back and she was like, I'm gonna die. Yeah. Yeah. And that ain't funny, but. It isn't, but. The way she said, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I'll get you some sour cream, girl. Mm, so good. I don't have no toppings today. I just want to eat. I'm hungry. But you can ask me a question and I'll answer. One thing about Doritos, if you chew them wrong, they're going to cut your mouth. Yeah. Them commercials, boy, had sandwiches in this drawer that was molded. It's gonna be a long night, y'all. It's only 9:58. I want a chili Frito or a chili Dorito. Which one you want? Mm. Who all going to see that new movie? What is it called? Silence Part 2? Yeah, I'm watching Ghostbusters. That root beer don't play. That root beer don't play with nobody. I'm getting full, y'all. Whew. So to be strong. How y'all doing on this beautiful Monday night? I'm doing awesome. It's my Friday. I'm off tomorrow. When I get off in the morning, I'm off. What I'm gonna do on these off days? I don't know. Oh, I'm supposed to be going to LA, but I don't know. I always say that. And then I be tired for the shit. I be working these long ass shifts. I'd rather work 3 days, long shifts, than 5 days and 2 days off. Excuse me. Ooh, excuse me, guys. Excuse me. I think the value be going up and down because of how I be having the phone sitting up. You know, the value, I think the speaker is at the bottom of the phone. I'm doing my seafood boil Wednesday. Me and my coworker. We're gonna do it at her house. Cause I don't think they open up this spicy crab. That's the only thing we got out here. Can't wait to go to Long Beach. Sour cream is bomb on food. I can't lick it off my finger though, or eat it plain. Some people can eat it like, I mean. Hey y'all, OG Ghostbusters is on Freeform. His mom was a Dorito. I want the Fritos no more. No more Doritos. Ooh. Dorito will be stabbing you in your gums. I found a Filipino restaurant out here. They give you 25. What they call it? Lupias? For 8 something. I would have got some on Friday, but I was full off that fish, and I wanted to eat them fresh because I don't know how they are once they get cold. You know, not crunchy no more. Ooh, y'all know how we 90 Day Fiance. I don't like unexpected. Let me turn around. I don't like unexpected. That's just a bunch of teenagers having babies and shit. I got a teenage daughter. I'm full, y'all. I don't want more. Yeah. I wish I could get this to the homies, but it's going to try. Well, I can sit down and talk to you guys for a minute. About to get ready to go. I still got almost an hour. It's only 10:11. I got till 11. But I don't have about tonight. Well, I do, but I can't get into details because I'm at work and I can't be that loud. So my breaks is different times. I get to pick when I want. Excuse me, y'all. Shaved under my arms today. You know, it be sticky, pricky. Ooh, excuse me. Hi, eyeball. I see you. When I see you, baby, when I see you. Look at my eyebrows. They need to be darker. You know how your camera freeze? You like, oh, Alicia, if you could still hear me, girl, I wish you can go get some soap bomb. I can't eat no more. It got cold. And I'm full. I'm still on a diet. Wait, but I'm wifey. Something, I'm gonna try it. No, I'm on a diet. I'm not really on a diet. I'm just know my limits. Well, I'm gonna let y'all go since nobody is chatting with me on this Monday night. Where's everybody at? What's all them friend requests I've accepted? Chime in. Chime in. I have to go get my nails done over. I need a new color, you guys. It's gonna be summer. So what color is summer? Yellow? I think I'm too dark for yellow. Think I'm too dark for yellow? I thought I was too dark for this pink, but it came out pretty kind of cute. Kind of. But they old now. They grow out so fast that I wash my hands every second. Alright, guys. Bye. It was nice. God bless. Oh, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to Sharing Heart Eats on YouTube. Okay? Thank you. God bless you.